Hey guys, how you doing today? I wanted to do an update on the plants that my friend Chris sent me when we did our plant trade. It was about a month ago, so I figured it'd be a great time to do an update. And what you're looking at right now is the aglianima cutlass. And she is doing really well. She lost maybe 5 or 6 bottom leaves. They just kind of yellowed up and fell off, but I think it seems like it's doing pretty good. It's got some new leaves on it. You can see right here. It's got some new leaves coming out on it. So it's doing really good. I got her potted in a terracotta pot. And then this one here is the salas paradoxa. And it's doing really good. I'm not seeing any new growth on it yet from the top, and I haven't cut it yet to propagate it, but it's doing really good. There's not been any rot or anything, so it's doing great. And then the next one here is the domino peace lily. Look at her, isn't she beautiful? I love the variegation on this plant. But she shot up. She's got lots of new leaf. And that one, it's still unfurling. And then this one. Isn't that pretty? Look at the variegation on this here leaf. It's so pretty. So she's doing okay. I've had to move her a couple times. Along with the cutlass, because we had so much rain last week, so I had to kind of move her up. I've been growing all of them here. I have them on my front porch step, growing them up on the side of my steps, which is an east facing. So they've all really liked it here. And then this other one here is that boat lily. This is a really big one. Rocco, I think it says. Can you read? It's a bigger boat lily than like the one that I have. So, and she's doing really good. She looks great. Look at the purple on the back of that plant. Really pretty. So, I'm not seeing. She might have new center coming out there, but doing pretty good. And then the next one here that she sent me is the epiprem panatum, and this one is doing really good. It was pretty much a bunch of sticks when she sent them to me. Stems, I should say. But it's really got a lot of leaves. Look at all the leaves on this. Oops. And these are all new. And this is a new growth coming out right here. And then these are all new. I think this one's new. I think that one was there. I think it had a couple. I think it had a couple of leaves, but yeah, so that one is doing really good. Now this one will grow up, and it gets fenestrations in the leaves. It's really pretty. Chris has her mother plant. Oh, it is absolutely gorgeous. So this one is doing really good, and I'm really excited about this one. It's really a pretty plant, especially as it gets more mature. The leaves are huge. She's actually got two new growths coming out there and there. So, and then the last plant that she sent me is, let me get up here, is my beautiful staghorn ferns. Now she sent me two. I put both of them turn it around here so you can see. I put both of them in this wire basket with the cocoa wire. And you can see all the new leaves coming out. Look at that. So, and once again, she is an east facing, but you can see all the new fronds coming up. They're a real light green color. Look at all of them down in here. Such a beautiful plant. Now she did lose, like this one right here. It needs to be cut off. I don't know if I can pinch it off or not. Yep. It's just dead leaves. Normal. Let's see, like this one is going a little bit bad, but the plant is, it's a really healthy plant. And she really seems to like being in this basket. So you can see this one here, it's got new growths coming out on it too. Oops. So pretty. Beautiful, beautiful plant. So, alright guys, well that is my update for the plants that Chris sent me this summer when we did our plant trade. And they're all doing very nicely. So, alright guys, I am going to let you go and I will talk to you later. Bye. Peace.